Hey guys, this is John, author of the Cabin Owner's Manual. We've got an interesting thing here to show you about some decks. A client of mine bought a cabin and wanted to do some remodel on it because they said it needed some work done and it needed some deck work done. So we came out and started working on it, noticed that a portion of the deck was not as stable as we thought it should be. So we got underneath and started looking, and we found that somebody had literally used closet hanger. I don't even know what to call it. I'll just show you. They're angles for a closet hanger. This is holding up a section of the deck that's 2 feet by probably about, looking down it, looks like it's about 20 feet long. So obviously we're going through taking it out. On this side over here, it was actually held on with roofing screws, like what would hold a metal roof onto a house. So guys, I just want to let you know that one of the big things that we deal with here at the Cabin Owner's Manual is working on cabins that somebody else has done work on. And just because somebody does the work doesn't necessarily mean that it's done correctly. Obviously, we're going to go in and work on this and see if we can get it fixed. I just thought you guys would find it interesting. See if we can get a good picture there. Can you guys see that? There we go. Yeah, you can see that. Those are what's holding the deck on. So how would you like to have a deck party on this deck? Have a good day, guys. This is John, author of the Cabin Owner's Manual. Hey guys, as you can tell, this deck was rotten, and the board band here, which attaches the joist to, was completely rotten, so we ended up tearing it off and replacing it. We also replaced several stairs. As you can see here, we're tore it off the end and we're replacing new. If you'll notice here on the lower side of the deck, you can see the board band has been replaced. We used double 2x12s and in uprights. And this is the final product of the deck after we had put the balustrades on. Looks so much nicer. You can see by looking at this how that the deck makes the cabin look so much bigger and so much nicer and finished. Here is the stairs that we had finished, making access on and off the deck much easier. This next clip shows a section that was done previously. Instead of tearing it off, we just renovated it. We put a rail around the top, bringing it up to code height, and then we put a board around the bottom, 2x6 there, to make sure that there were no 4-inch gaps so that it was safe for children. The deck is quite often the largest feature of any cabin. It is typically the face of a cabin, making it feel homey and inviting. Please make sure that your deck is safe and secure for your family and guests. If you have any questions, please contact us at Cardinal Custom Lawn and Outdoor Property Maintenance Solutions, and we will take care of your deck today. This is John, author of the Cabin Owner's Manual. Have a good day.